Hiya. Cheers. Thanks for that. So there's the stuff. Okay, there's the order. I'll show you that in a minute. Oh, this is so busy, you don't understand. I'm trying to be a... Cars, boom. Alright, that's what we're looking at. One sec. I'm trying to be as discreet as possible. I'm just gonna look like I'm on the phone, you know, like speaking to someone. So, there's like 2 cars to my left, and about 5 or 6 to my right. Oh, this is madness. It feels like everybody's looking at you. I think it's just now or never, Liam. Beautiful. Okay, let's go. Everything in. Everything in. Drink. Oh god, I feel so awkward. Jesus. Right. Close the curtain, Liam, close the curtain. There we are, right. First things first. In the last video, stealth camp, I boarded these up. Not boarded, but you know, I put some towels there, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. A little bit of a gap there, but it's not dark just yet. A little bit of a gap, but better than nothing. And it's just a quick job, because I really needed to go quickly then. Wow. Okay, let me get this in. So I've got a USB fan. It is 23.7 degrees in the back of the van right now. And it is hot, so let's get this going. Oh yes, can you feel that? Oh, I'm sweating. But it doesn't matter, I've got my food with me. So yeah, all that's done. Seems alright. We're in the back, we're in a McDonald's car park. It's, what time is it? 9:30 at night on the hottest day of the year, and I decided to come stealth camping in the back of my van. It is a sweat box. Jesus. Anyway, fan's on, so I'm good. Let me set this up. Oh my Jesus. Wait, let me focus it for you. McDonald's bin. Oh, it's still so busy, man. McDonald's, you all see my order. Got a chocolate milkshake. I mean, I love McDonald's chocolate milkshake, so let me get that down me right now. Cool me down. Yeah, it's got a large Big Mac meal and 9 chicken nuggets. Chips. You know what, I never eat like McDonald's, hardly ever, so this is a good treat. A good treat. Oh yes, I forgot about these. Oh, barbecue sauce for the nugs. Just like that. I'm telling everyone else to eat at McDonald's. You can do it how you want, but that's how I do it. Chicken nuggets there for later, 9. Another sip of this. And you just tuck him. Oh, these are so good. I just never eat them. So while vehicles are pulling up right next to me, just like that. Don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, it's just still so busy at like nearly 10 o'clock. I'm just gonna show you myself for the night. So, got some lights, you see them. I've got a book to read, got my phone, got my fan, needed. Yeah, toothbrush, toothpaste for later on. Got my Jackery, charging my appliances. I've also got that as well, but yeah, so we got this. You haven't seen this probably on the channel. So I've this is a little mini fridge, 12 volt, and what's inside? Oh. Oh, like a hobo in America, covering up a can of a cold one. Do you know what I mean by a cold one? A nice cold can of Coke, of course, because I'm in a vehicle and I've got the keys and I'm definitely not going to be driving. So yeah, that's for tonight. I don't advise it, drinking Coca-Cola, but it is what it is, isn't it, guys? The crime is, what do they say? It's the crime is getting caught, isn't it? Something like that. Anyway, should we have a look out? Should we have a peep? See how busy it is still. One sec. I don't want to get too close to the window. Oh my jeez, that's the drive-through right there. There's a car right to my left. They can probably hear me breathing. There's a drive-through, so that's that. Let's try this way. I'm like a flipping spy, man. There's a McDonald's sign. Okay. Let's back off. Let's not cause attention to ourselves. Okay, guys. I'm gonna chill out. It's way too hot outside. I'm gonna wait for everyone to go away. Once it's dark, I think we should be okay. I'm at a rave, man. Can you hear that? I think it's time for the chicken nuggets with the barbecue sauce. Oh, it's so good, you know. I could eat like a 50 box of these. I think it's time for a beer. Time for a cold Coca-Cola beverage. That's getting bleeped out. Liam, you just incriminated yourself. It's a new one. I haven't tried this one yet. Cheers. Oh, it's so cool. It's gonna be a good night. I think it's nearly time for bed. I think it's like 11ish. Car park still pretty full. I can hear people like right outside now. I should be quiet, but yeah. I think it's open 24 hours, so. And it doesn't help, my van's right next to the bin. So everyone keeps putting the rubbish right next to my van. I can hear people. Can you hear them? I need to keep my voice down. So I'm gonna brush my teeth, get into bed. It's so hot. I'm gonna have to sleep with this fan on all night. Let's have a look. Let's have a look what this temp is. Oh my god, look at that. It's gone up from before. 25.7. That's at like 11 at night. It still must be like 20 degrees outside. Jesus. Alright, let me brush my teeth. I don't even want to sleep with a sleeping bag. I don't even need it. You know what, actually? No, I'm gonna sleep like this. Oh. Okay. Actually, let's see. Let me turn the light off one sec. Last look out, and then we're going to bed. It looks light. This lens is really good. Okay. One sec. That red car's still there, so that, oh, maybe it's a worker. Alright, get that clip on. get this fan back on, jeez. Okay guys. Peace. Let me turn this light off. That'll have to be on, doesn't matter. Okay. See you in the morning. Hopefully we don't get kicked out. You know, didn't get much sleep at all last night. There's cars coming and going, but we didn't get moved. Man. So it's 10 to 8 right now. I probably woke up at like 5:30. That's when like all the work people started to come. Right. It's actually quite cool now. It's like 14 degrees, so I'm gonna get a hoodie on and I just make a run for it. Should we have a look out? I think there's people in the car park. I think there's workers I've seen. They're like cordoning part of the car park off. I don't know why. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get a hoodie on. Okay. Gonna switch to the iPhone and just make a dash for it. Let's go. Oh god. I haven't looked out, I don't know what's there. I'm just gonna go. No! I'm pressing all the keys and everything. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh, this is the worst bit by far I've noticed. Okay, keys. Oh, it's actually alright. Okay. One sec guys, belt on. And we out here, boy. Oh my god, we did it. Oh. Okay.